All right, welcome to day number 63, I think. Today, guess what? We took two losses again. It's not looking good. I thought we would fill this gap right here. So price open, we barely expanded lower. And if you look the 1 hour, this is very clear. There's like this gap right here. And we could still technically fill it if we bounce from this, then go down and play that. That might be a possibility. However, I did not expect us to go all the way up here. If you look at the 4 hour, that's not really good. For me, it looks like we might fill this gap right here. So, yeah, that said, I was pretty bearish. 15-minute also, excuse this, but 15-minute also closed bearish during New York. There was this fair value gap, which aligned with the 5-minute order block right here. And I thought, right, so firstly, I thought that this inverted fair value gap was going to cause the shift. So my idea was that this fair value gap right here, I actually entered down here because I didn't get filled immediately. So that inverted would cause the shift. And I had my stop somewhere around there. And I was CPing daily open just in case we would visit there. And you can see that my entry sort of like acted as resistance. And you can see now in hindsight that we had this order block, or, well, let's just take this. You can call it this. We have this order block that held, technically. Let me just delete this green one to avoid any confusion. Right. So we had this that technically held, right? And I guess this is where I made a mistake because there was no structure shift right here. So I should have waited for at least a close below this. And I didn't. And I got fucked. So this is fine. I took like $50 stop loss, 50 something dollars stop loss. And then I wanted to short. I actually tried to short this, I think. But this didn't seem right. This didn't seem right to short. And it didn't seem right because my stop was actually like somewhere around there. Because we haven't even visited the 5-minute order block yet. So we haven't even touched this and I already tried to short it. So that didn't make much sense for me to short that. And so I just exited that one earlier. That was $100 risk. So I decided, okay, yeah, maybe for next trade I'll do 50 and let's just count that as the first trade of the day because this was just me jumping the gun and recognizing it earlier. This one right here, I don't know. I've entered on inverted fair value gaps as I consider them like early signs of reversal. So this one right here, I don't know still what I would classify it. Probably not in plan again. If you think about it, none of this was in plan. This shorting right here, this shorting right here. Probably this one would have been in plan, but the 5-minute is bullish now, so not a good idea to short that. And so, as you can see, I got stopped out on this candle right here, and then we just have this huge sell-off. And at this point, if you look at the 5-minute, it's bearish. So I decided to switch to my paper trading account to take my second trade of the day. Again, trying to be disciplined here and not blow accounts. And I tried to short this because now, if you think about it, this is a bearish order block, right? Because we got this low taken out, a good close, and that's the bearish order block. So it makes sense, at least in my eyes, to short this. I was even targeting that. So if I show you this as it is, like this, right? You got this. Sure, we closed above here, but there's this fair value gap that we reacted bearish from. There's like this order block right here, or even like this 15-minute. But I would have not taken this anytime. Would have not given longs an opportunity there. And yeah, I took that on the paper trading, and I got stopped out again. So yeah, at this point, I don't even know what the market is doing. This for me is just very choppy. I'll probably, I don't even know if I should just stop trading altogether, because it seems that every time I try to enter on something, the market just disrespects what I have in mind. When it wasn't the case like 2 weeks ago when I was taking trades. So I've taken setups like this that played out really well, but just now, look at this. Just seems there's like we chop around for a very long time, and then boom, there's a big move. Not big, but big in comparison of what we had before, and only then again we start chopping around. But yeah, that's it for day number 63. Still debating if I should continue trading. I did half risk. From Wednesday on, I'll probably not trade. But yeah, we'll see about that. Hope you enjoyed, and I see you tomorrow. Oh, by the way, the Tradovat account. Let me see if I can log. Yeah, I can log. The Tradovat account is at 49,700 something. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I see you tomorrow.